What's up, guys? It's Jimmy here, back on the King Shaka channel, and I'm gonna just give you a real quick brief introduction to this video before we progress with it like a normal video. But if you've been following my Instagram, if not, if you haven't been following it, then I'll drop the username right here. But you'll notice that I've been well into the dash swap now for at least over a week. So as I was filming it, I was kind of figuring out what I was doing, but we're definitely breaking it up into parts. So it's going quite well. Definitely check out my Instagram to see how far I've gotten. Almost done with it at this point, other than the gauge cluster, and I'm wrapping up the steering column at the moment. So this video is at least a week old, and I didn't really know exactly what I was doing when I filmed it, so bear with me a little bit, and we'll get right into it. So here we'll treat it like a regular video now. What's up, guys? It's Jimmy back here on the King Shaka channel, and today is the day. We will be beginning this dash swap in my truck. Here we got to pull it in the garage to make things a little easier, and we're going to get tackling on the dash swap. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to break up this series, so I might do this in stages, like just remove the dash for this video maybe and see how that goes, and then put the new dash in and take care of the cluster and the steering column maybe in another video, because I just want to get it back together and make sure that it still is all together right and working. So without further ado, today we'll just be settling for ripping the old dash out. That'll be the goal by the end of tonight, is to just get the dash out and get it ready for tomorrow so we can get the new dash started and get that in. So we're just gonna play it by ear and see how it goes. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna have to do is take out these seats. It'll give me a lot more room to get access to various bolts and stuff on this dash. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll show you that. I'm gonna try to film this as best as I can. I don't want it to take forever. Like, I don't want to film and have this whole project take me like hours to do and videotaping for hours. I'm just gonna do some basic videotaping that an average person would be able to take care of what I'm saying, and yeah, we'll do as best as we can, but I'm not gonna sit here and do it for like an hour and bore you guys. I just want to get it moving along. Alright guys, as you can see, I got the main panel off, took my radio out just to be able to get more access at the skin, took the fuse box out because we're gonna have to be getting this whole steering column out. And we're also going to have to be getting these 4 or 5 main bolts out. There's like 2 here, there's 1 on the other side. So we'll be getting that out. It's just, I'm taking the skin off of the dash first to make everything a lot easier for me so I can see where things go. I know there's probably people out there who can take it out way quicker than I can, but I'm doing it this way just so I see where all the wires go and I see what goes to what, so that when I put it back together, I have a general idea of how to route the wiring. So that's why I'm doing it the slow way, and I'm gonna pretty much take every piece off individually. So let's get the rest of it going. I'll take clips along the way, and we'll get it out. Alright guys, as you can see, I got more progress done. I got more panels off and whatnot. Everything is held in, the skin is held in by these little 7mm bolts. So you just gotta pull them off, and you'll slowly be able to get all the skin and all the trim pieces off. And just take your time with it, you'll get there. Quick note also, make sure you're unplugging your batteries before you even attempt this dash swap. I didn't say that, make sure you do that. Okay guys, as you can see, I got the whole steering column out. It's not that bad, it takes a little bit of patience. And it's got these 4 main bolts. And you gotta get the little linkage off for the back of the steering. Couple wires and stuff, different plugs. There's a plug on my O2 like this that bolts to the bottom of it, so I had to undo that. I obviously took like the airbag out and stuff because I'm going to be working with these cruise control buttons eventually, so that saves me time. It's really not that bad, just take your time and you can get it out. Alright, as you can see, I pretty much got everything unhooked and it's all unbolted from the main bolts. I am going to keep the wire harness with the truck since it's easier that way for me, since I know where everything goes when I unhook it. And I'm just working on fishing out the wiring and such and unclipping stuff. But I should have this dash out in maybe 10 minutes, not even. Alright guys, so I got the dash out, sitting over there, you can see. I just pulled the whole entire frame and skin out, but I did, like I said, disassemble that skin so that I could see where the wires go when I go to put the new one in. I have a general idea of how I want to route it. But yeah, we'll come around this side and give you a look. So basically the only thing that stays in the truck is like heater box here, of course. And you have like your fuse box and PCM. And that's basically what stays in the truck. All the wiring, I left it in the truck because I'm still figuring out what I want to do. So I thought that'd be easiest. I still have a general idea of which way the harness goes. So that was my thinking on that. And I'm gonna probably end up calling it a night. Got pretty dark on me quick, so gonna end up calling it a night and gonna try to get the new dash started tomorrow. I'm not sure. So probably gonna cut the video just for this as part one, just removing the dash. And the actual assembly of and installation of the new one will be another day. But yeah. Yeah guys, so that's going to be a wrap on the video. It's getting late as you can tell, but definitely thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're new. Stay up to date on this dash build as we keep progressing here and get the new dash in. I'll show some parts of that and the column and stuff and the gauge cluster. So definitely want to be up to date with that. So click that subscribe button, turn the bell on for notifications so that you get it. And just thanks for watching guys. We're moving along quite well already. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good night.